Today, we will show you how to set up the virtual partner on your watch. The virtual partner feature is a training tool designed to help you meet your goals. You can set a pace for the virtual partner and race against it. First, start on the watch face and press the start button. Select Run Profile, press up, touch Run Settings, then touch Data Screens. Press the up button, touch Add New, touch Virtual Partner, set the speed or pace of the virtual partner in the Run Profile, set the pace you would like to train in, press up and down to change the location of this new screen. All data screens are customizable. We are now all done setting up your virtual partner. If you want to set reminders to monitor whether your pace is ahead or behind your virtual partner, press the back button to Run Profile, touch Alerts, then touch Add New, touch Pace, turn on Fast Alerts and set the pace you would like to train in. After setting up Fast Alert, turn on Slow Alert and set the preferred pace you want to train in. Once your alerts are perfect, press the back button until you reach the activity profile screen, and that's it. You are now ready to start your activity. Now you have your own virtual partner. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.